Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawahamie River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawahamie River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles.
Oh, if you're wondering whether you're 50
Coastal
miles,
waters
check
from
it because it
Mexico
died.
Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters
You
from
never
Florida to
activate
Keaton Beach,
for another
out 20
alert if it's still in
nautical
effect.
miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Swampy River to 38 nautical miles southwest of Cedar Key to 57 nautical miles west of Anclote Key, moving west at 35 knots.
This button's going dead. Okay.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all of
249, what is your problem?
Locations impacted include South Tower, V Tower, Buckeye Reef, O Tower, Horseshoe Beach, and K Tower. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh, that might be your problem.
The following broadcast is a special weather statement issued by the National Weather Service in Tallahassee, Florida. Strong thunderstorms will impact